waits on God alone. From Him my salvation comes. He is my rock and my salvation, my strong defense. I will not be shaken. How long will you plot against a person? You will all fall like a leaning wall, like a tottering fence. They scheme to bring the honor down. They delight in falsehood. They bless with their mouths, but inwardly they curse. My soul, wait only on God, for my hope is from Him. He is my rock and my salvation, my strong defense. I will not be moved. In God are my salvation and my glory. He is the rock of my strength and my refuge. Trust Him at all times. Oh people, pour out your heart before Him. God is a refuge for us. Surely those of low degree are fleeting, and those of high degree are unreliable. Set on the scales, together they are lighter than a breath. Do not trust in oppression, or set your hopes on robbery. If riches increase, do not set your heart on them. God has spoken, I have heard it again and again. Power belongs to God, and to you, O Lord, belongs steadfast mercy. For you repay each person according to